To download pip, type getpippy into Google. Click on the link here. Left-click on the screen that opens and save it as a file to download it to your computer. Type idle in Start and click Open File Location. Say Open File Location again. Add the downloaded file here and run it. This is how the pip went down. To install the library, first run the command prompt. Then type cd and copy the location of the file we opened, that is, python.exe. Paste the location by left-clicking at the command prompt. Press Enter. With this command, we reached the location of the file. Let's say the library we want to download is NumPy. Type pip install NumPy at the command prompt. The library is loading. If you don't want to struggle with these commands again, open a notepad. Copy these two commands here. When you need to install a library again, paste the first command into the command prompt. In the second command, change the name of the library and paste it. This way, you won't have to worry about what to do next time.